People, yes, I am on tonight. Um, it's kind of, I'm really, really proud of myself for coming here every night trying to answer some of these questions. But I thank everyone that keeps on, that always jumps on and kind of, do the likes and the thumbs up and everything. It kind of keeps me motivated to keep answering these questions. um, and of course, letting everyone know about my business and what I do. So tonight on this episode of Let's Talk Assisted Living Business, someone asked me, how do you get clients? What do you do? The things you're supposed to do to make, to be successful in the assisted living business. So, so that's why I came up with this, the three secrets that I believe will help anyone to be successful in this business. Okay. Okay. What are the three secrets? Number one, number one secret is you have to make meaningful connections. Okay. I have three M's today. You have to make meaningful connections. So when I started this business, I could not connect to anybody. They do not have anything about assisted living conference or anything like that. So one of the conferences they had was for big facilities. So, and I wanted to sign up, and the cost to go for that conference was like 5,500. So I wasn't able to attend. Um, Apart from making meaningful connections like that, you need to make meaningful connections in terms of how do you get clients? How do people know that you exist? Most of the big facilities, they have connections with the hospitals. Most of these huge nursing homes, they have connections with referral agencies. So you need to be able to make meaningful connection even when it comes to running your business. You need to make meaningful connections when it comes to marketing your business and growing your business. Okay. So one of the secrets of becoming very successful, one of the secrets of successful and profitable assisted living businesses is that they make meaningful connections. Even the big ones, they go to big conferences. They spend 22,000 going to conferences. Oh my God, I am not lying. So you have to be able to connect with people that can send you clients, making connections with hospitals, making connections with maybe physical therapy programs, making connection with bigger nursing homes. It's about connection. You have to be making meaningful connections, even though you are not as big as the other facilities. Even as a small facility, you have to make meaningful connections. Like when I started this business, I did not know how to go about anything. One of the things I was looking for was definitely how to connect with people in the industry. But I did went out. I went to the nursing homes. I went to the the hospital that is nearby. I went to physical therapy businesses. I went to different places just trying to connect with people that I can let them know, hey, we are open here and this is what we do. If you have anyone that needs our service, please connect them with us. So you are running a business. One of the secrets is make sure you're making meaningful connection. Okay, you can connect with anybody. It could be people that will help you keep the business running. It could be people that will help connect you with the necessary clients you need to grow your business. So make sure you're making that meaningful connection. Okay, so that's one of the secrets of successful assisted living. The second secret is management. People always find it difficult to manage business. It's like, oh, how do I manage it? I do not have time. I do not know how to manage. I do not know how to run businesses. Okay, big companies, okay, you do not see them every day running their business. You do not see them every day being one to one with a client. So you might want to start running it yourself, but your vision and your long term goal is to, at a point, be the visionary while other people actually run the business. Okay, they carry your vision, they carry your mission, and they run with it. Okay, so successful businesses, successful assisted living businesses concentrate on the management. Okay, if you cannot manage your business yourself, get someone that can manage it. Even if you're not paying that person full time, the person is not working for you full time, you can get that person to do some of the work why you take time off. You can have someone do 50% or maybe 20% of the work. However you want to share it. Make sure you have someone helping you with the management if you need to. Do not let your do not let your lack or the areas that you're not good at keep you away from doing something that you want to do. That is why you hire people. You hire someone to replace something that you don't have. If you're good in this area, you continue to do what you're supposed to do in that area. Then hire your lack, okay? Always hire your lack. That is how to be successful in this business. Hire your lack. If you know an area that you're lacking, always make sure you're hiring, and don't try to do everything yourself. So like I said, number one is making meaningful connections. Number two is management, making sure you are managing with intention, okay? So number three is intentional marketing. See, when I started this business, I didn't know how to market, first of all, but I did try to make meaningful connections by trying to find other people that are doing the same thing that I wanted to do, even though I couldn't find, which was the reason why I actually established this assisted family matters conference in the first place. So the bigger ones, I couldn't connect with them, but I did went out and meet people in the community and kind of let them know that I'm out here and this is what I do. So I was able to make that connection, but marketing the business was hard for me. So I was using a place for mom and some of the referral agencies to give me clients. So one time I had I don't know if you've heard me share this story before. So a place for mom is the referral agency. They refer you clients and they take like about a month worth of whatever the client is gonna pay you. So I was using a place for mom and some other referral agencies to get clients. But what happened was that one of the agencies referred a client to me. So they did not tell me that the client is on hospice, okay? So this client is on hospice and did not even last more than a month. So, and then I already paid them 1 month's rent. So now I kind of service this client for free, because they took the whole money and I did not make anything. So that is when I began to think, I said, this does not make any sense. So it's like I am trusting my whole business on these people. I have to have a way to be able to do my own marketing. Okay. So, and that was when I decided I call Google. I make all the effort to do my own marketing. So if you want to be successful in this business, you have to be doing your own marketing, okay? You have to be intentional with your marketing, and it's not that expensive. I'm telling you, if you take, it costs you maybe, let's say one of the residents is paying you $3,500. If you get a referral agency to send you a client, they will take that $3,500. But if you take that $3,500 and invest that in marketing your business, at a long run, is going to pay, okay? For the past couple of years, I have not used referral agencies, and I always have my facilities full. Always have my facilities full. Never use referral agencies anymore because I do my own marketing. I take that money, 50% of that money, I invest that. I do my intentional marketing. I do my target marketing to the audience because I know where they are and I know who they are. I target them. I do my marketing really, really good. And that is how I've been like successful in the business when people are running around looking for clients and depending on the place for mom or other referral agencies to be playing games on their head. I am so busy investing what I have in marketing my own business, establishing myself online, and making meaningful connections. Okay, so that's what I wanted to share with you today. If you are thinking of starting your own business and your own assisted living business, and you are thinking, how can I be successful? How can I get clients? And how can I run this business? One thing I said earlier is make sure you're making meaningful connection that will connect you with people that will help you grow your business, people that will help bring the right clients to you, and people that will generally support you in that business. Number two is making sure that you are managing your business well. Managing means hiring your lack. If you know the area you're lacking, hire that person, okay? Hire your lack and just do the things that you can do and managing it, and just not letting that you don't have time or that you cannot manage stop you from actually running your business, because you can actually manage it. Anyone can manage it. You don't have to have like really big experience in this industry to be able to manage it. Just like I said earlier, Many of the people that owns big senior facilities, you do not see them every day running this business. You do not see them, okay? You just have to have a passion for that business, and you manage with intention, okay? So number 3, like I said, is intentional marketing. Go out there and do your marketing, guys. You can do this, okay? And I'm telling you, I've tried it, I've experienced it. It does not cost that much to do your marketing. And that is how those are the 3 secrets of successful assisted living business. Okay, those are the 3 secrets. If you are just joining us, we were just talking about the 3 secrets to running a successful assisted living, and we talked about meaningful connection, making meaningful connections. We talked about management, and we talked about marketing. So those are the 3 secrets. And if you can get these 3 things right, I'm telling you, the sky is your limit. So once again, I would like to thank you for joining me tonight. And if you have any questions, you can inbox me. I come here Monday to Friday around this time to answer those questions. I won't be here tomorrow. I won't be here Saturday, but I'll be here Monday to answer some of the questions. So if you have any question you want to ask me about assisted living, ask me. Let's talk assisted living business on Monday night. But I do want to invite you for my conference on February 7th. We are going to be having an awesome time. It's going to be packed with empowerment. It's going to be packed with motivation. It's going to be a meaningful connecting moment, okay? So it's going to be a meaningful connecting moment. If you are in the area, if you are around Owens Mill, if you're around Baltimore, if you are around Maryland, you want to be in that building and connecting with people that are in the industry, people that want to be in the industry, so that way you learn the 4 opportunity formula for growing a senior care business, okay? So make sure you join us. If you're going to be around in the area, if you need a ticket, visit www.familymattersconference.com, and I will also have, if somebody can put the link somewhere, or you can find the link somewhere, and if you're just joining us, you can catch the replay. So I want to thank you for joining. It's really encouraging. It's not easy coming here every night trying to answer the questions, but seeing people joining on is motivating. So let's keep this going, and I will see everyone on Monday around this time. And remember, we have 7 days. Oh, wait a minute. 7 days to Family Matters Conference. I would like to see you. For now, have a good night. Bye.